The 30 kVA inverter with 32 batteries inverter installation is being broken into two groups. That means we install 15 kVA inverter here with 16 batteries on this rack. We'll also install 15 kVA inverter here with 16 batteries on this rack. These are the inverter, 15 kVA, second inverter, 15 kVA. Battery setup ongoing. Battery setup ongoing. Battery setup ongoing. It's now completed. 8 batteries here. Another 8 batteries here. So we are planning to set up another 16 batteries here. This is a rack. We're trying to set up another 16 batteries here. So 16 batteries here. We're trying to set up another 16 batteries here, making 32 batteries. Secondly, the job is now completed. Glory be to God. This is a powerhouse, and we set up 2 different inverter systems within the powerhouse. This is the first set, and this is the second set. You can see this first set is a 16 batteries inverter system. These are the 16 batteries. This is the massive inverter for 13 rooms, together with all the service area of an hotel. Reception, gym, bar, restaurant, kitchen, supermarket, office, store, just name it. This is the second set, 16 batteries with the inverter. This section powers almost 30 rooms of an hotel. You can see all the setup.